Hello children, in today's lesson we go to learn about prefixes and suffixes. It will help to improve your vocabulary. Let's learn what is a prefix. A prefix is a letter or a group of letters attached to the beginning of a word to make a new word with a different meaning. Generally, prefixes are used to form the opposite words. Here I have some examples. In prefix words: incomplete, incorrect, invisible, inactive, inequality, inconvenient, independent, inexperienced. Look at all these underlined words or underlined root words or base words. Complete, correct, visible, active, equality, convenient, dependent, experienced. When we add the prefixes to the root word, it usually changes the meaning of the root word or we get opposite word. Here we had in word or in letter at the beginning of the word and it changed the meaning or we get the opposite word. See, incomplete, incorrect, invisible, inactive, inequality, inconvenient, independent, inexperienced. Unprefixed words: unknown, unfinished, unlike, unexpected, unemployed, undone, unfriendly, unending. Imp prefix words or im prefix words: impossible, important, improper, immature, immeasurable. Dis prefix words: discontinued, dishonor, disappoint, disappear, disagree, disqualify. Next, suffix. What is a suffix? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters attached to the end of the word to form a new word. It is, we had some letters at the end of the word. For example, able, suffix words: readable, comfortable, available, believable, admirable. Here in all these words we had able at the end. Full suffix words: beautiful, peaceful, regardful, painful, helpful. Less suffix words: helpless, fearless, endless, doubtless, careless. Eve or IVE suffix words: adjective, sportive, active, attractive, effective. OUS suffix words. Glorious, fabulous, adventurous, famous, jealous. Some suffix words. Handsome, troublesome, fearsome, gladsome, delightsome. Ness suffix words. Awareness, kindness, darkness, fitness, shyness. Thank you.